Today I'm gonna show you a little trick that's called the 999 method. Amazon sellers use this all the time to spy on other sellers and see exactly how much money they're making. So let's get started right away with the following question. When would we use this method? We would use it when we're doing a product research. So let's say we're scrolling to Amazon looking for that one product that we want to sell, and we find a black garlic press. You think this garlic press is way better than the other garlic presses out there, and you want to start selling this product. Now, what is the most important question that you need to ask yourself? How many sales is this product making? Or even better, how much money can I make when I start selling this product? So that's exactly what I'm gonna show you. Now let's get into it. Now, I have to be honest, I don't personally use this method as this requires a little bit of manual work and I don't like doing manual work. I use a tool called Jungle Scouts for this. They offer a Chrome plugin that you can use on any Amazon page and it will tell you directly how many sales this product is making. If you want to use such a tool as well, check out the link in the description. Okay, here we have our black garlic press and we want to know how many sales is this product pulling in. So what we are going to do is add this product to our cart and then change the quantity to 990. This is the maximum amount you can order on Amazon. And after we have done this, Amazon will tell us how many units this product has left in stock. Okay, great. Now let's write this number down. And if we repeat this process the next month, we will see that the seller will have less stock. The difference here is the amount of sales this product has generated. And since we know the sales price is $20, we can calculate that this seller has generated $2,480. Okay, so what's next? You might be like, great, we just figured out that this seller is pulling in a bunch of sales. Should we start selling this product as well now? Hell no. There is still so much more to look out for. For example, is this product patented? Can I create a better product? Is there any other competition for this niche? Can I offer it for a lower price? So loads of things to still look out for, which I can't cover all in this video. However, I've made a step-by-step product research tutorial. You can find it on my website. It's completely for free. Check it out, garlicpressseller.com. There's a link in the description. Now, if you have any other questions, drop them in the comments and I'll see if I can help you. And I'll see you in the next video.